Hi students, once you start attending the classes, it is very important for you to fill something called as placement form over here. Now, if you don't fill this placement form, you will not get any updates regarding the interviews and requirement. How to fill it? Let me guide you. Just click on the placement form. Here, the first thing that it will ask you is a passport size photo of yours. Make sure you upload a passport size photo and make sure you're not uploading any selfies or any other random pictures because it will be validated and removed later. Fine. I'll just click on choose file. Then I'll upload a passport size picture. Once it is done, just click on submit. Now that you have uploaded it, now you have to enter your personal details over here. First thing is date of birth. We'll enter the date of birth. Then we'll select the gender. Then we will have to enter if we have Aadhaar card, passport and PAN card. Yes, no, yes, no. If you have your LinkedIn profile, Twitter profile, Instagram profile and Facebook profile, you can share the link of it over here. If you don't have, that is fine, it is optional. Now you have to select the state, district, PIN code, and you also have to enter your permanent address. Again, district, PIN code. If the PIN code is not here in the list, you can just click on other PIN code and enter the PIN code. And you have to type the address. After entering the address, just click on next. Now you have to enter all your educational details. Now in order to enter all your educational details, first thing you have to enter is your highest degree. Now highest degree can be any degree that you have completed, or it can be masters. If you have completed your masters, you can select masters. If not, degree. If not, if you have done only your 12th, you can just select that. If you are done only with the diploma, you can select that. If you have done only with the ITI course, you can select that. Let us say I will select masters. Fine. Now, the first information is CGPA or percentage of 10th standard. For some people, it will be in CGPA. For some people, it will be in percentage. Let us say I'll select percentage. And you have to enter your 10th percentage and the year of pass out. Once you are done doing that, you have to select your 12th. If you have done your 12th, ITI, if it is ITI, diploma, if it is diploma. If you are selecting 12th, you have to enter your percentage, year of pass out, and if you have any academic gap in the sense when you are studying your 12th standard, was there any reasons because of which you stopped studying and again joined? If there is any study gap or year gap in between, you can select that. Or if you select ITI, you have to enter again percentage or CGPA, enter your ITI year of pass out, ITI stream and board, ITI college, all the details. Similarly, it goes for diploma. I'll show it for diploma, same goes for ITI. Let us say I'll select percentage in diploma percentage I'm entering, diploma year of pass out I'm entering, diploma stream I'm entering. I will select automobile engineering, but let us say there is a stream which is not present in the list, then you can click on other stream and type your XYZ stream here. Now the board, if your diploma board is not present in the list, you can just click on other board and you can type. Next, the college name. Then, if you have any year gap, yes or no. Let us say I have an year gap, then I'll click on yes and I'll enter 1 year gap I have. Fine. Next, your degree percentage, it is asking percentage is 70, and then degree, you can, let us say it is engineering, so I'll select Bachelor of Engineering. If there is any other degree, you can select that. Degree year of pass out, then degree stream. If there is any stream apart of this, click on other stream, then degree university. If there is any other university, you can click on that and type the university name and then degree college. If the college name is not in the list, you can type it separately, guys. And year gap, yes or no. I'm selecting no. Next, you have to enter your master's information. Again, percentage, I have to enter. Masters in what? I will select technology, Masters of Technology, and then year of pass out, and then master's stream, university, college, year gap. And once after entering all the details, just click on next. Now you have to select if you're an experienced. Now we have add experience details option. If you are an experienced candidate, you have to click on yes. If not, just click on no and click on next. Now, there are certain details that you have to fill for the placement. First thing is, are you ready to relocate? If yes, click on yes and you can type all the locations that you are ready to relocate to. Once that is done, you have to enter any of your parents or guardians contact details. Name, I'll enter, and then you have to enter the contact number. You have to enter the relation, and you can also refer a friend and enter their contact number and just submit.